60-second identity workshop.
When considering privileged access management, many people think they need to start counting how many identities or people in the organization need privileged access. This is time-consuming and not necessarily accurate. There is a better way assigning privileged access. Instead, think inside out and switch the privilege. Think about which resources you know to contain privileged data or applications. These could be databases, SaaS, admin tools, or DevOps environments, for example. This way you can establish clear understanding of what resources are privileged in the organization and create security policies and business rules around them. It's a first step towards creating a PAM framework that reduces standing privileges to a minimum or even zero and allows the creation of a just-in-time approach to privileged access. Identities can be authenticated on every access request based on current status and not on a standing privileged account label. So it doesn't matter how many privileged identities there are. In fact, there should be zero. They are only privileged at time of access.